It's a sunny morning. Baby duck wakes up with a big stretch. Look! She's wearing her cute sun hat and tiny backpack. Where is she going today? Wow, to the beach! But first, she says goodbye to Mama Duck. Mama gently puts sunscreen on her cheeks. One big hug and a little kiss. Bye-bye, Mama! On the way, Baby Duck sees her best friend, Bunny. Come with me to the beach, says Duck. Bunny hops out with a big smile. Adventure time! They hop onto a colorful mini train, laughing and singing as they ride. They pass gardens, ice cream shops, and candy trees. Wow, what a fun trip!
Yay! They finally arrive at the beach. The wind blows gently, the waves dance, and seagulls twirl in the blue sky.
Now it's time to splash in the water. The duck wears floaties. The bunny sprays water. Splash! After all that fun, they sit under a beach umbrella eating watermelon and sipping fresh coconut juice. Yum, yum. The sun is setting. It's time to go home. But their hearts are happy. See you again, beach, says the duck and bunny, waving to the sea. Bye-bye, friends.